Hey, welcome to our channel. In this video, we're going to be discussing ways to improve your small business. So stay tuned for a wealth of information and tips to help you take your business to the next level. 6 ways to improve small business. As reported by the U.S. Small Business Administration, there were over 32 million small to medium-sized businesses in the U.S. in 2021. However, despite this large number, many businesses struggle to survive. In fact, 20% of these businesses close within their first year, and nearly 50% by their 5th year. One of the main reasons for this is a lack of growth and development. Entrepreneurs who are able to launch a successful business often find themselves facing a plateau in growth after the initial launch phase. To ensure survival and long-term success, it's crucial for small business owners to be dedicated to continuous improvement efforts. To ensure long-term success, small business owners should proactively plan for growth and development. By implementing effective strategies, entrepreneurs can avoid stagnation and continue to improve their businesses, even during periods of slower growth. With the right approach, any business owner can drive sustainable growth and achieve their goals. The key is to know where to start. 1. Streamline your operations and create a neat workspace. As your business grows, it's easy for things to become disorganized, from paperwork and documents to unorganized digital files and outdated subscriptions. To improve your business, it's crucial to focus on organization and efficiency. Start by reviewing your technology and simplifying it with digital tools. Eliminate any unnecessary applications, digitize paper documents, and ensure all team members have access to the platforms they need. Automation can also be a powerful tool for streamlining your processes, even if you don't have a lot of technical expertise. Start with simple tasks such as sending welcome messages to new subscribers or automatically saving attachments to a shared drive. Regularly review your progress and learn from past mistakes. The strategies that helped you get started may not be the best fit for your business as it grows. Take stock of past processes, identify what didn't work, and update your business strategy to avoid repeating the same mistakes. 2. Monitor your financials closely. A key aspect of improving your business is having a strong understanding of your finances. This includes monitoring your cash flow, credit score, and other financial indicators. Cash flow is a critical metric that can signal potential growth or early failure, with 46% of small businesses citing irregular cash flow as a reason for closing. By regularly reviewing your financials, you can pinpoint areas where you may be overspending and identify opportunities to cut costs. By having a clear understanding of your financial numbers, you can make informed decisions and make necessary improvements to ensure the financial stability and growth of your business. 3. Cultivate strong relationships with your customers. As your business grows, it can be easy to lose touch with the customers who helped you get started. However, building a strong community around your brand is crucial for driving sustainable growth. In fact, research shows that 86% of loyal customers are likely to refer others to your business. To enhance your business, you can find new ways to connect with your customers. This can include hosting virtual meetups with loyal customers, setting up a table at a local farmer's market to attract new customers, sharing tips and fun content via live social media videos, sending monthly updates to customers via email. Building a community for your brand means creating personal connections with customers. By focusing on them as individuals, you can find ways to connect with them on a deeper level. Additionally, it's a good idea to engage with your local business community and connect with other entrepreneurs. These relationships can be professional, such as referring customers to each other, or personal, such as having someone to bounce ideas off of. 4. Foster strong relationships with your employees. Your employees play a crucial role in the success of your business, and fostering positive relationships with them can lead to improved performance and productivity. By creating a positive work environment, you can motivate your team and encourage fresh ideas. Employees are more likely to stay engaged and motivated when they feel valued and respected. To create this kind of culture, you can implement strategies such as an open-door policy, regular team feedback meetings, and celebrating milestones and special occasions. Another way to attract and retain top talent is by offering flexible work arrangements such as remote or hybrid workplaces. By allowing employees to work from home, even just 1 day a week, you can attract a diverse team and accommodate those seeking flexible work options. 5. Explore new opportunities through acquisitions and development. One effective strategy for business development is to constantly be on the lookout for new opportunities. Your market is full of inspiration and valuable data, such as emerging niches, trends, and competitors. You may even find a struggling business that could be open to a buyout, providing a chance to expand your customer base. Additionally, it's important to diversify your product lines based on market research. With the rise of social media platforms such as TikTok, which has 1 billion users, it's easier than ever to stay aware of current trends and adapt your business accordingly. This can help keep your business fresh and relevant in the current market. Remember, staying on trend doesn't always mean introducing new products, but rather rebranding or marketing existing products in a new way. 6. Seek out support when needed. As a business owner, it's important to be open to seeking out support when needed. This can be a difficult lesson for some, but it's essential for growth and success. One option is to take advantage of the mentoring programs offered by the Small Business Administration, SBA. Additionally, you can find business owner support groups on LinkedIn or at local business development or innovation centers. Another strategy is to build an advisory board, either formally or informally. Identify individuals who have knowledge of your business and industry, and with whom you feel comfortable seeking advice. Having a trusted group to turn to can make a significant difference in the growth and success of your business. Finally, it's important to take a step back and reflect on your business's progress and future. Times of stagnation can be an opportunity to evaluate where you are and make changes to move forward. How can I improve my business credit score? A business credit score functions in a similar way to a personal credit score, so you may already have experience in managing it. To improve your score, you should limit credit usage, pay bills on time, and avoid closing accounts. It's also important to review your business credit report regularly and report any inaccuracies. How can I improve my business's search results on Google? Improving your business's search results on Google involves understanding and implementing search engine optimization, SEO, strategies. SEO is a marketing technique that aims to increase the visibility of a business on search engine results pages by using relevant keywords. To improve your search results, you should research and select relevant keywords, create content that includes those keywords, and optimize that content to make it more relevant to users. That's it for our video on 6 ways to improve your small business. We hope you found the information valuable and actionable. Implementing these strategies can help you take your business to the next level. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights for small business owners. Thanks for watching.